Success isn't luck, it's psychology. 8 habits that prove it. 8 habits to be successful. Success is not just about talent or luck or even the right opportunities. It is deeply rooted in your belief. The way you think, react, and discipline your time plays a major role in your life. How far your hard work goals and what skills you learn in the process are essential. Your mental habits hold immense power. Either you propel forward or quietly hold yourself back. Here are 8 successful psychological principles that people often master and what they help you in. Friends, my name is Mukesh Rawat. You are watching View Now 2.0. Please like and subscribe my channel. The second, the dopamine effects. Dopamine, also known as the feel-good chemical, regulates pleasure, reward, and motivation. It is released when you anticipate or achieve something you always wanted to, whether it is winning a game, purchasing something that was on your wish list for a long time now. Dopamine spikes anticipation of a reward. You need to learn to be happy. Small things keep you motivated. Take action. Set a micro goal today, something that you have been wanting to do for a long time now. Try and complete that. Small achievements can be rewarding in ways you will learn later. Third, the law of reciprocity. The more value you give, the more you get in life. Help others win, and you will win too. Reciprocity runs both ways. It can be positive, positive reinforcement, or negative, seeking revenge when treated unfairly. The law of reciprocity is deeply rooted in ancient principles. Mutual giving increased chances of survival. Over time, it became a hardwired instinct. It should be kept in mind. It works only when it is authentic. People can sense manipulation and it might backfire quickly. Take action. Offer one act of kindness today. Help a friend. Share some knowledge. Fourth, delayed gratification. Designed to be insightful yet accessible, perfect for a blog, post, or personal development. Delayed gratification is the ability to resist immediate pleasure in favor of a greater reward later. It is a skill of choosing a bigger future reward over a smaller, immediate one. A famous experiment proved that kids who could wait for a bigger reward later in life became more successful. Take action. Delay one small gratification today. Do this and discipline yourself. Fifth, the power of belief. Your mindset is your strongest weapon. People who believe in their success take bigger risks, work harder toward their goals, and persist longer. When you constantly belittle yourself into thinking you cannot do this, your brain will find enough material to prove this. Instead, when you say, I will do this and will figure it out, your brain automatically will shift from limitation to solutions. Take action. Write down 5 reasons why you can succeed and repeat them daily. 6. Growth mindset. Think of your failure as feedback and not defeat. Every setback is a lesson. Every mistake is a new opportunity for you to learn and improve. It is the voice that says, I can do better. Mistakes will help me grow. It is not about pretending everything is easy. It is about believing you have the power to improve, adapt, and overcome the little failure of life. Take action. Write down 3 past failures and things you learned from them. Seventh, the visualization technique. Studies shows that when athletes visualize themselves winning, the soaring heights their mind creates become really. So start seeing your success before it happens. Visualize yourself at that position where you want to be in life. Take action. Take 1 minute every day to picture yourself at a place you want to be. 8. The 80-20 rule. Pareto principle. The 80-20 rule states that roughly 80% of outcomes come from 20% of inputs. It is not always about a perfect split, but the point is clear. A small portion of what you do leads to the majority of your success. Take action. List 10 things you do daily and identify which of those out of 10 bring the most success. The last but not the least, ninth point, emotional intelligence. Emotional intelligence sets you apart in a world where degrees, skills, and superpower define real success. Emotional intelligence helps you navigate between people who thrive and those who just survive. It is said that people with high emotional intelligence help you make better and informed decisions. Instead of reacting emotionally, they pause, reflect, and respond quickly. Take action. Next time you feel angry, pause and take deep breaths. This will train your brain to stay calm under pressure. Thank you. Thank you very much for listening. Please like and subscribe my channel for forthcoming videos. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.